Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage gestures on your headphones HAMA Freedom Athletics. You can play and pause the song by pressing one-time multifunctional button. And again, we just did it. If you tap the button at the top, you can raise the volume. Here we go. And if you hold it down, you can switch to the next song. Here we go. Now, if you tap the button at the bottom, right here, you can lower the volume. Here we go. And if you hold it down, you can play previous song. I can't do it, but you can. So trust me. You just press and hold. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one-time multifunctional button, or if you want to reject it, you just pressing it 2 times. So, answering it. Here we go. And now, if you wanna finish your call, you just pressing one-time multifunctional button. And here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!